Hello and welcome to The Right Way with Well and Good. My name is Chloe DeWinter. I'm from Go Flow Pilates, and this is the lovely Brian from East River Pilates. And today I'm going to take you through the right way to do Pilates tabletop position. Now this is a really simple Pilates move. We do lots of work in Pilates with the legs at tabletop, but I see all the time people doing it wrong, and these small adjustments are really going to make you feel so much better and so much stronger in your tabletop. So let's get into it. So this is a tabletop position, but one of the mistakes I see all the time is the low back in the wrong position. So either it's overarched and there's all this space beneath the low back like this, or it's the opposite way and the low back is completely flat and flattened all the way down into the mat beneath you. Another mistake I see all the time is the knees in the wrong position. Now, sometimes the tabletop position is here, where the knees are right out away from the body, and sometimes it's the other way, which is also the wrong position, where the knees are all the way drawn in towards the chest. And the last mistake I see all the time is tension in the upper body. And what happens here is there's tension in the shoulders draw away from the mat, the head and the neck look like there is lots of tension there, and the face is often quite scrunched up. All right, now I'm going to take you through the right way. So let's begin with the position of the low back. We want to find a neutral spine. Think about a little blueberry resting in the small of your lower back. So a little bit of space between the low back and the mat. See if you can actually connect a little into your core as well. That'll help. So belly button into spine. The knees are right above the hips, and we have this sort of 90-degree angle at the knees and at the hips. That being said, if you need to draw the knees in a little bit further to the chest, if that's more comfortable for you, that's totally fine. The head and the neck is going to be really relaxed. So Brian, bring your hands down by your sides. Relax the head down, all the way down. Relax the shoulders into the mat. And another modification here that you can take is placing a small pillow underneath the head if that's more comfortable for you. And there we have it. That is the right way to do a Pilates tabletop. Now, it may not look like much, but let me assure you, Brian is working very hard right now, because when you do your Pilates tabletop correctly, you feel so much great activation through your core muscles and through your abdominal muscles, and it feels great. Thank you so much for joining Brian and I. That was the right way to do a Pilates tabletop. If you want more videos from Well and Good, make sure you subscribe, and we are excited to see you again soon. See ya.